In the vast expanse of Earth's history, countless species have come and gone, leaving behind only fossilized remnants and fragmented DNA. But what if we could turn back the clock? What if we could breathe life into creatures long vanished from our world? Imagine for a moment the thunderous footsteps of a woolly mammoth echoing through a modern forest, or the haunting howl of a dire wolf piercing the night sky. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie, but potential realities in the realm of de-extinction. De-extinction, the process of reviving extinct species, was once confined to the realm of imagination. Today, it stands at the forefront of scientific innovation, challenging our understanding of life, death, and the very fabric of nature itself. In this documentary, we embark on a journey into the strange and fascinating world of de-extinction. We'll explore the cutting-edge technologies that are making the impossible possible, and meet the visionary scientists who are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was achievable. Our story begins in laboratories across the globe, where researchers are painstakingly extracting and analyzing DNA from long-dead creatures. These genetic time capsules, preserved in fossils, frozen remains, and museum specimens, hold the key to unlocking the secrets of extinct species. But extracting DNA is just the first step in a complex process. Scientists must then piece together the genetic puzzle, filling in gaps and repairing damaged sequences. It's a task that requires not only advanced technology, but also a deep understanding of genetics and evolutionary biology. Once a complete genome is reconstructed, the next challenge is to bring it to life. This is where the science becomes truly revolutionary. Using techniques like cloning and genetic engineering, researchers are working to insert extinct animal DNA into the eggs of their closest living relatives. Imagine the moment when a surrogate elephant gives birth to a woolly mammoth, or when a bird hatches carrying the genes of its long-extinct ancestor. These are the moments that de-extinction scientists are working towards, moments that could redefine our relationship with the natural world. But de-extinction is not without its challenges. The process is incredibly complex, time-consuming, and expensive. Many attempts fail, and even successful births may face unforeseen health issues. There's also the question of whether revived species could survive in our modern world, so different from the environments they once inhabited. Beyond the technical challenges, de-extinction raises profound ethical questions. Should we bring back species that nature has phased out? What are the ecological implications of reintroducing extinct animals into modern ecosystems? And who decides which species are worthy of revival? These questions have sparked heated debates in scientific circles and beyond. Some argue that de-extinction could be a powerful tool for conservation, allowing us to restore lost biodiversity and repair damaged ecosystems. They see it as a way to right the wrongs of human-caused extinctions and learn valuable lessons about evolution and adaptation. Others, however, warn of potential dangers. They fear that de-extinction could divert resources from protecting endangered species, or that revived animals could become invasive, disrupting delicate ecological balances. There are also concerns about animal welfare and the ethics of creating creatures for what some see as human curiosity or entertainment. Despite these controversies, research into de-extinction continues to advance. Scientists are making progress on several fronts, from the passenger pigeon to the Tasmanian tiger. Each project brings new insights and pushes the boundaries of what's possible in genetic science. One of the most ambitious and well-known de-extinction projects focuses on the woolly mammoth. These majestic creatures, which disappeared around 4,000 years ago, capture our imagination like few other extinct species. The idea of seeing a living, breathing mammoth in the flesh seems like something out of a dream. But for scientists working on mammoth de-extinction, it's more than a dream. It's a goal they're actively pursuing. By combining mammoth DNA with that of modern elephants, they hope to create a hybrid animal with key mammoth traits. While not a perfect resurrection, it could provide valuable insights into mammoth biology and behavior. The potential benefits of mammoth de-extinction extend beyond scientific curiosity. Some researchers believe that reintroducing mammoths to the Arctic tundra could help combat climate change. These large herbivores could help restore grasslands that absorb carbon dioxide, potentially slowing the melting of permafrost. Another intriguing candidate for de-extinction is the passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, with flocks that could darken the sky for days. The passenger pigeon was driven to extinction by human hunting and habitat destruction. The last known individual, a female named Martha, died in captivity in 1914. Now, over a century later, scientists are working to bring the passenger pigeon back to life. By studying DNA from museum specimens and comparing it to that of closely related pigeons, they hope to recreate the genetic blueprint of this lost species. If successful, it could lead to the rebirth of a creature that once played a crucial role in North American ecosystems. But de-extinction isn't just about charismatic megafauna or once common birds. It also offers hope for recently extinct species, where the loss is still keenly felt. The Pyrenea ibex, for example, went extinct in 2000. But scientists have already made attempts to clone it using preserved genetic material. While these early attempts were not successful, the single cloned individual survived for only a few minutes after birth. They demonstrate the potential of de-extinction techniques for recently lost species. As the technology improves, we may be able to bring back animals that have disappeared within our lifetimes. As we delve deeper into the world of de-extinction, it becomes clear that this is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a philosophical and ethical journey that forces us to confront fundamental questions about our role in nature and our responsibilities to the planet. Are we playing God by resurrecting extinct species? Or are we fulfilling a moral obligation to restore what human activity has destroyed? Should we focus our efforts on preventing future extinctions rather than reversing past ones? These are questions that scientists, ethicists, and society at large must grapple with as de-extinction moves from theory to reality. Whatever your stance on de-extinction, there's no denying its potential to revolutionize our understanding of life and evolution. The techniques developed in pursuit of resurrecting extinct species are already yielding valuable insights that could benefit conservation efforts and medical research. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we must approach it with a mix of excitement and caution. The power to bring back lost species is a profound responsibility, one that requires careful consideration of the consequences, both intended and unintended. In the end, the story of de-extinction is a story about us, about human ingenuity, our complex relationship with nature, and our capacity to shape the world around us. It's a reminder of the incredible power of science and the importance of using that power wisely. As we conclude our journey into the strange science of de-extinction, we are left with a tantalizing question. Are you ready for a world populated once more by extinct species? The answer may shape the future of life on Earth.